Alton Tower opening day 2026, where it started to rain. It's not that bad at the moment, but I feel like it's gonna get worse. And we're here for Bluey construction update, seeing everything happening around here. The junior coach opening on the 28th of March, so yeah, in 2 weeks' time, the new coach are gonna open. And yeah, firstly, update. There's a path. I'm gonna assume they're just expanding pathway. So yeah, oh goodness, the rain really coming in down and coming hard. I'm taking shelter and then I'll talk about it. Oh yeah. I don't know why I'm animating so high. Right, taking shelter while it starts raining. So, certainly along here we can see like her filming and it actually looks very nice.
You can put that over that. Okay.
Actually, I can still raining. Is it raining? Oh no, because if randomly starts raining then what hard does it stop? 5 seconds later. Anyway, gonna actually start the construction thing. So since that was actually here, yeah, the coaster has actually been putting most of the theming out. I mean, I last came saw in November. And I think only really the pushers will get actually kind of going in. Oh, I see someone in the station. I know it has been testing and it makes a random noise around here as well. Of course, it's starting to be very sunny now. I can't figure the weather out. So yeah, we've got the nice fencing along here, and then the actual wide fencing, and it's starting to rain quite. Could have probably mentioned rain quite a bit today on the update because unpredictable. Hold on. And it is testing. I'm very kind of confusing there. But yeah, my days are randomly getting so ridiculously excited just seeing that. Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, we're seeing lots of like, green tracks here obviously. Oh, they're too loud. Oh, that's good. And see it from another angle. Oh, this is fantastic. It's a very long train as well. On the back road, not gonna lie, that'll be some pretty good airtime up there. And I love the Sub-Zero car. Yeah, Bluey right here comes the granny name. It's a bit random up there. So now she looks like it looks reasonably thoughtful and you get quite decent airtime. But yeah, there's some random human pieces such as like a tap. Yeah, I mean, yeah, very cartoonish as well. Whatever the hell that thing is on that mound. The washing line, the tree washing looks really nice over there. And around further down, where I can't start the update before running around here. It was. Well, that's where like the key line has actually been put in, which I haven't really seen much people talk about it, so it's probably pretty recent. Is it still raining? Yes, it's still raining, but it's not that bad now. So yeah, I mean this has a very random looking brake one, but oh, you can get close to it. Yeah. I'm gonna assume that if you were to be evacuated from this ride, they should put like maybe a step ladder here and then you get out the train in that sense and do that. Oh my goodness, it is done. Here is the exit, which is just kind of wooden kind of bridge. But you know, it could be pretty nice to be fair. I mean, on the front part of the station, I mean, round the back it's not really kind of themed, but here it's just mainly like coloured. I mean, I'm coming here on the 30th of March to ride it. 3 days after it. No, 2 days after it opened. Can't remember. Really. I'm going to assume the others loading on train, so they might get another test run soon. And oh yeah, the speaker's down there. So obviously, some complain. I'm going to assume another theme instruction would be on there. Oh, is it just like a big hoe thing? That like random like the twisting. It is definitely picking up with rain, and that's not helpful for me. Oh, they've got like undercover part of a queue there. Well, I mean, the fact that there's no construction walls anymore, it's very easy to actually see what's happening around here. Well, there's some construction walls down right around at the entrance of the ride, or what I assume would be the entrance. Not gonna lie, yeah, this would actually be quite a nice one. I'm gonna try and get on shelf again because it is quite heavy. I think we're in the midst of the storm right now. Doing an update because probably not that much. So yeah, we see like kind of a big like sign there. And yeah, I'm gonna shoot this is I think Bluey's house from what I figured out. From what people have been saying. And they've finally done something to because they had just left like part of Poke and Castle Post like trapped. Now it's actually it's gone now. And the fifth part of water's still here. Yeah, so I don't think you go in now. It might actually be a door though. More speakers. I don't actually know if that's pretty cool or with her. Yeah, they've got a lot of the queue line around it, and this is the part of Alan is starting to get me really excited. And they have changed Legoland Coffee Co, yeah, because originally you get seating up there, but now that's going to be queue line. I'm going to assume it would be like just a cattle pen part of the queue. Due to the size of it. I don't know what the pathway would be for. So. There's also some film pieces in. The thing is there's a lot to go for here. The main YouTube I don't actually want to film too much. I can start to sit in the station a bit. I wanted to test again. Please test again. The moment I said please test again, it started testing again. Right. Right, from here. Yeah, so I was just taking a picture of that, that's why I didn't show the whole thing, but surely it's gonna go on again. The rain stopped now. For now. I mean, I'm definitely more looking forward to this than the Paw Patrol cruise to come to Chatham. I don't know the look of a station, I don't really like that. That's kind of funny. Bluey's how it's just like quite stuck up there and then just oh, is it only going one lap? Huh. Yeah, the gates just moved to front. So yeah, clearly. Not. I just really want it to test again. Yeah, I mean that's the first drop. But it's actually genuinely a huge coaster and it goes round. Where is it? There it is. I'm terrible. seconds off. But you were just, I'm just gonna say quickly, if you want to meet like many people usually do, come on Alton now opening day, it's always seem to meet them. See them. The actual station building is quite flat, however. I mean, I don't know what this staircase is. Look like staircase. Oh. Hearing me trying to go again. We're in a crowd here. Anyway, everyone just wanted to take it around again. I know it's not like say the biggest roller coaster in the world. I think when I first tested out Fort Park, there's not like so much people around. But should go around soon again. Hopefully. I felt like I should be talking over this so I don't get like copyright because yeah, playing around. So I'll kind of just wait until it actually got tested until I'll have it in the video. It's going round again. Well, the alarm went off and an announcement went off. I think. What's up? I can't actually figure out where the announcement will form. I can't figure out if it's in the night garden. Yeah, there it goes again. I've actually seen this test a lot more than I thought it would be. I mean, yeah, actually looks like pretty decent, good airtime, like intensity on some of the turns as well. I mean, maybe even that all. I don't know. Like those are the three types of forces. Yeah, I still don't know. I mean, there seems to be like lots of like those like I wouldn't say Christmas lights, but like temporary lights, hanging up in the station, and I don't know if that's just because for the theme or whether it's actually just budget cut. And like due to having a reasonably low budget. But yeah, this is definitely a ride I'd really like to do at some point. Well, I would be doing it soon. So this is, I could be here for a while just watching it kind of test. However, I've got other to do. I mean, it's absolutely packed today. Bit kind of very expected for like the opening day of the year of the park. And I fear that it's going to start. I mean, it was actually just quite nice, wasn't it? I mean, the rain came out for like this. There's another mini one, so I don't know if that will mean at all. Oh! Anyway, I'm going to be wrapping up this construction update. It's just based on half of the video, it's just the ride going round, or waiting for it to. Hey, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.